The approximate volume of air containing 10 centimeter cube of oxygen is dash. Solution. In the question above, we are to determine the amount of air that contains 10 centimeter cube of oxygen. And generally, oxygen takes 21% of air. That is, in any amount of air we have, the percentage in which oxygen is always containing is 21%. Simply put, that 21% of a certain amount of air is 10 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of air whose 21% of it is 10 centimeter cube? Let's proceed. So here I'll be stating that percentage of oxygen in air equals 21%. Let the volume of air, because we do not know the amount of air, but we know the percentage that oxygen is being made up of in the air. So we say let the volume of air be X. Then volume of oxygen in air. So we have that to be 21% of the air. So say 21 over 100 multiplied by X equals 10 centimeter cube. Since we've been given the amount of oxygen in the air, but we do not know the volume of air. So let's proceed by finding X. So here we'll be cross multiplying. Then we have 21X to be equal to 100 multiplied by 10 centimeter cube. So here we have X equals 100 multiplied by 10 centimeter cube divided by 21. So then we can see X equals, multiplying this, we have 1000 centimeter cube divided by 21, which is equal to 47.6 centimeter cube. And approximately, because we're asked to approximate, so let's approximate. We have 48 centimeter cube, and if we want to do this further, it can still be approximated to 50 centimeter cube. So that will be the final answer. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution, and we can say that the approximate volume of air containing 10 centimeter cube of oxygen is 50 centimeter cube. And that will be all.